Hi everyone, welcome back to Liberty Park Music. Today we're gonna learn a song called Yellow from Coldplay's first album, and it's gonna use some bar chords without actually using the bar technique. We're gonna use our shapes to move around, which is great practice if you're gonna be switching between bar chords. As usual, if you have any questions about any of the following sections, please feel free to reach out to us and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, let's jump into the video lesson. One, two, three, four. B again, 2, 3, 4. One last time.